Hi friends, Java versus Python, which is better to learn for future? Let us try to understand few important concepts, and before that I would like to request you please subscribe our channel, please do like our videos, express your opinions in the comments section. Let us directly go to the subject. Java, Java versus Python, which is better for future? Python is easier to learn, Java is faster. What does it mean? Python generally considered easier to learn due to its simple and readable syntax, which makes it more beginner friendly compared to Java. Python's focus on code readability and its extensive standard library contribute to its ease of use and rapid development. On the other hand, Java is known for its performance and speed. It is a compiled language that runs on JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, which allows it to achieve high performance in terms of execution speed. Java's static typing and strong type checking contribute to its efficiency and make it suitable for building applications that require high performance and scalability. While Python's interpreted nature, it may result in slower execution compared to Java. It's important to note that for most applications, the performance difference is negligible. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks often compensates for any performance disparities. Next point, Java is better for large scale applications. Python is better for data analysis and machine learning. Yes, Java is often considered a better choice for building large scale applications due to its strong typing, performance optimizations, and robust ecosystem. Java's scalability and ability to handle high loads make it suitable for enterprise level applications that require reliability and efficiency. Python, on the other hand, it has become immensely popular in the fields of data analysis and machine learning. If you are concentrating on data analysis and machine learning, Python is a better language because its simplicity, extensive libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it a preferred language for data scientists and machine learning engineers. Python's ease of use and powerful tools for statistical analysis and visualization make it well suited for working with large data sets and performing complex computations. While Java has its own libraries and frameworks for data analysis and machine learning, Python's ecosystem is more extensive and mature in these areas. It offers a wide range of specialized libraries and tools that streamline the process of data manipulation, analysis, and modeling. Java career goes well with developing all major applications in business domains. Python career goes well with data analysis and business analysis. This is the latest trend. A Java career aligns well with developing major applications in various business domains, especially in the enterprise space. Many large organizations rely on Java for building robust and scalable applications to support their business operations. Java's performance, reliability, and extensive libraries make it a preferred choice for building enterprise level software systems. On the other hand, a Python career often intersects with data analysis and business analysis. Python's rich ecosystem of data science libraries and frameworks, along with its simplicity and readability, make it an ideal language for tasks such as data cleaning, exploration, visualization, and predictive modeling. Python's popularity in data analytics, it has skyrocketed due to its ease of use and the ability of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn. Additionally, Python's capabilities in automation and scripting further contribute to its relevance in business analysis tasks. That being said, it's important to note that both Java and Python offer diverse career paths and have applications in a wide range of industries. While Java is often associated with enterprise development, it also finds use in other domains such as Android app development, financial systems, and backend web development. Similarly, Python's versatility allows it to be used beyond data analytics, including web development, scripting, and even game development. So, guys, ultimately, your career path will depend on your interests, goals, and the specific domain you wish to specialize in both. So, both Java and Python offer promising career opportunities, and choosing the language that aligns with your interests and career aspirations will help you succeed in the respective field. All the best. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our Scitechwiz channel. This is a new channel. Your help is very much required and very much appreciated. Please subscribe our channel and please do like our videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.